Multi-direction Soleplate. Panasonic's multi-direction Soleplate makes ironing faster and more efficient. Conventional irons can move only forwards because they will leave creases as you move them back over the fabric. Our iron is tapered at both ends. As you can see, it glides effortlessly both forwards and backwards. And you can see both ends easily, which makes ironing much easier. In addition, the Soleplate curves gently up at the edges, allowing it to move smoothly with no snagging, even from side to side too. This multi-direction Soleplate means the iron can move freely in any direction for maximum efficiency. You can iron sleeves with a single stroke, instead of the 2 or 3 passes it used to take. And reach even hard-to-reach places, using the entire surface of the iron. Faster, more efficient. Panasonic Cordless Steam Iron.
Panasonic.